Hello guys, welcome to the channel the Amazicellent Hacker. Today I'm going to solve the box bolt from TryHackMe. So before getting into the walkthrough, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, I'm on the site tryhackme.com, already joined the room bolt and also have deployed the box. So here's my IP. Okay, let's start the walkthrough with the nmap scan. To run the nmap scan, let's copy the IP. Go to terminal, type sudo nmap -s to run default scripts -svt enumerate version -o2 enumerate operating system OS fingerprinting and the machines IP. Okay, let it run. So while the nmap scan is running, let's check if the HTTP server on port 80 or not. We'll kind of just speed up the enumeration process. Okay, there's some sort of Apache 2 on the default page. Okay, let's just wait for the scan to get completed. Okay, the scan is kind of completed. So there are 3 ports, port 22, port 80 and port 8000. There are 2 HTTP ports. Okay, let's check if there are any tags or not. So kind of completed this first one, deploy the machine. So what port number has a web server running with CMS? Okay, it's probably 8000. Okay, let's check that no HTTP server other than this on port 80. So give the port number 8000 end of IP. There's some sort of page title is bolt, hero is on list. There's no content found. So there's some sort of message from message for IT department. Please check it out. My password is bolt admin. In this case, you need to okay. Kind of, I think, got some credentials. It's bolt admin as password. So what is the username? You can find in the CMS is probably bolt. So what is the password? Okay, bolt admin 123. So what's the version of the CMS installed in the server? Let's first try to get to admin page and try to log in with the credentials that we just found. Let's just search in Google for bolt CMS login page. Okay, there's some sort of directory name /bolt. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so here is the login page. Okay, now let's just try to log in with the credentials that we just found. Okay, now we are successfully logged in inside the CMS page. Okay, so here is the version 3.7.1. So the version was bolt 3.7.1. So there is an exploit for the previous version of this CMS which allow authenticated remote code execution. Okay, so we need to find EDB ID. Source for bolt 3.7.1 exploit db RCE. Okay, so here it is, authenticated remote code execution, and EDB ID is 48296. So there's a meta exploit also. So we can just use this Python one also, but as the tax asks us to use Metasploit. Let us just open Metasploit and just exploit this bolt using Metasploit. You can just do it manually using the exploit that we just found. So here it is. Okay, now let's just search for bolt CMS. Search bolt. So there are two exploits. So the latest one is of this one, bolt authenticated RCE. I think it's the one that's we are searching for. Okay, now let's try to get this flag.txt file. So let's use this exploit. Let's view the options. So the password and username. Okay, let's set username. Username is bolt. Password is bolt admin 123. Our host is let me copy the IP first. Okay, so this is our host and the listening host. I have config. So L host is 10 9 E6 227. Let's check if all the options are correct or not. Okay, now let's run it and hopefully we get a Metasploit session, Metasploit session. Alright, we are kind of inside the box bolt. Okay, let me import the TTY first. Python m Python say import pty spawn pass. There is no Python, so let's check if there is Python 3 or not. Okay, there is Python 3. Let's try the same command with Python 3. Import pty spawn so here is our pty cell. Okay, and we are actually a root user, so kind of don't need any privilege escalation also. So the flag is probably in the root directory. No, it's not. Let's search for flag. So I'm going to use find command to search for a flag. If you don't know how to use find, I've made another video on that. I'll just leave the link in the description below. Just check it out. We'll just type find slash name flag.txt into greater than slash depth. Now for errors operation. Okay, it's actually in this directory home and flag.txt. Let's copy it. Let's get it. Okay, so this is our flag. Okay, we successfully completed the box. So this box was kind of quite easy. So this was in this video. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Also give thumbs up. Okay, bye.